Hey guys, your boy Wayne here, but you guys can call me Big Blue. I just want to start my first video and my channel off for, just to help you guys escape something, escape the life, escape all the drama. So, my first video is going to be a skin prep video. Being a man of color, being, 6'5", having a beard and everything, there's not too many men out there showing like how to get your skin right, how to keep your beard nice and soft and all that stuff. So we're gonna hop right into that. Showing a few products that I use and maybe a regimen that you can use and start it going. I know prior to this I shaved my whole beard completely just to get a fresh start, so if that's something you want to do, more power to you. I'm not gonna start that again because people don't like that look. It's a bit crazy. So let's just dive right into it, alright? Now to start off, all I did was just wet my face just with some water. I'm gonna go in using Duke Cannon's Working Men's Face Wash. I don't know if that helps. I like this one because it has a little exfoliate and beads in it. It's made for men, so like with our sweat and our body chemistry, it really helps to get deep down. I just put a little bit on my hands, like I usually use right here and up to the tips, and I match it right here, and I just use the top of my fingers. I just rub it. I start with my forehead because with hair, that's where most sweat tends to be. Then I go in on the cheeks and the sides, especially if you wear glasses. I do wear glasses, as you can see. You want to make sure that you get there, because sometimes when your glasses sit there, it's just holding all that dirt and bacteria in your skin. So I tend to go a little extra right there. Get the nose, under the eyes, all that. Bring it down into the beard. I really don't use it to wash my beard. I do have a beard wash. I'll show you what product I use, but I'm not gonna wash it today because I really like deep exfoliate with my beard. And you want to leave a little bit of the natural oils in it just to keep it from drying out and feeling brittle. So that's the soap. So first I'm going to start by saying that I rinse it off in the shower. I like to rinse all my face stuff, and beard wash in the shower keeps your beard still wet, keeps everything nice and fresh. So it's a lot easier, just scrub your face right before you go in, so it's not like it's an extra step. It's just something that you can do right after you brush your teeth, because I hope you all brushed your teeth this morning. Okay, so I'm first start by, because I have hair, I like to just put a simple headband on, nothing crazy, just push it back out of my face so I can do all that stuff. Nothing special. While my beard is still damp, like fresh out, I grab a beard conditioner. So it needs to be something that's a little bit liquid. This one I'm using is Clubman. It's a 2-in-1 beard conditioner. Looks like this. It's not my favorite. I was using Jack Black beard lube. Love it. That ran out before this video, so we have to use what we have. So shake it, and for this we put it all over our hands, and we just go to town on the beard. Like to bring it up, through, kind of separate, get all in there. Like that, bring it in, do. Now just keep it fun, keep it fresh. And that's unlocked. Now, I have high porosity in my beard and my hair. So that means basically it's gonna soak up all the stuff really, really quickly. But it also leaves my beard really, really, really quickly. So with that, I let it sit a little bit longer just so that it gets saturated. And then I'm gonna lock it all in with a beard balm. So I'll get to that next. But first, I'm gonna go in with my moisturizer. This is Origin's A Perfect World. I love this moisturizer because it has SPF 40 in it. So I take it like I'm like from Wakanda and just literally dot it all over my face. just like that. Again, with the fingers from here up, I just take the residue and we just massage it, kind of from like your knuckle up, but what you can see on your inside fingers. And then I just massage it. I usually start by my cheek area, make sure that is well covered, like inner eye, going up, and I'm just like rotating it, your hands in circular motions all over. I bring it down into the beard line. Oh, that's what I do bring into my beard line, because your beard line is kind of like half and half. It's half hair, half skin, but at the end of the day there's skin under your beard, so you want to make sure that that's getting moisturized and taken care of, because that's where you can have like dandruff. You think it's Danish flakes and it's not. It's just your skin being dry, and nobody wants dry skin. Now there's excess. What I'll do, put it on my neck, pushing in the upwards direction, because we don't want a saggy neck at like 40, and we're close to it. We're very close to it, so we'll keep it moving on. I'm just moving it out from the center of the face. Just like a natural facelift every day. Now with that, next I go in with a beard oil, or a regular oil, not a beard oil, Jesus. This is DERMA Radiant Face Glow Oil. This is kind of like what we're going to do with the balm. It's going to lock everything in for the day, all the nutrients we need. So currently it's spring when I'm filming this, or somewhat kind of spring, so I'm going to go a little bit lighter than I normally do for my drops. I usually do 3 drops, but I'm only going to do 1, maybe 1.5 drops, because that's crazy. And also because it's summer and in the spring I sweat more, so we don't want my face to be greasy. And I just pat it in to the different spots. Then we do that. We just slightly rub it in, making sure that everything gets nice and oiled. I kind of avoid my eye area because it creates its own oil, and if I add any more it's going to be super oily. So we got that. And boom. Just rub the rest of the residue on your back of your hands, because you know, middle of the day your knuckles are ashy. You want to at least lock a little bit of that in. Next I want to go in with my beard oil. Now my beard balm. Why do I keep saying beard oil? Jesus. The beard balm. This is by 18.21 or 21, whatever. Sue me. Man-made. I found this on Ulta recently. I got it on Ulta online, and I love this beard balm. The smell literally lasts all day. I'm like in heaven. It's like a spiced vanilla, just like really like robust and just wonderful. It's like warm and manly. So the reason I do this last in my regimen is because it is a balm. It's gonna lock everything in, and you don't want it to be too heavy for the face. So just put some right here in the palm of your hand, and this part I'm just gonna move all over like that. We're going to bring it into the beard. Again, just like we did the oil or the conditioner. If I say beard oil one more time, y'all sue me. Okay, don't really sue me, because I'm broke. So we're just going to bring it in like we did the balm. We're going to, like we did the conditioner. We're just going to separate. You just want to separate the strands. Like for me, I have 2 different textures in my skin. Probably. I don't know. I meant to say beard. Again, I have 2 different textures in my beard. And this part is nice and kind of silky, kind of wavy. And this part is really, really coarse. And so I just go through. Shout out to my barber, Christian, who gets this 2 together. And there we go. Just want to get it all in, because it's just going to lock in that conditioner. That beard conditioner we put in, and keeps it all set. And to be honest, that's it. That's the steps. It's really, really quick. Now, if you're like me and you want to go the extra step, because apparently everybody calls me extra, I like to do a lip scrub every day. My favorite is the Jeffree Star Velour lip scrub in vanilla mint. I love this lip scrub because you can eat it afterwards. And I'm a fatty, so I just take a little bit on my finger. Looks like that. Just scrub a little. Got that. I start with my bottom lip because it's big. And you just rub it over it. Moving on to the upper lip. Getting all that. Just making your lips smooth. Like that. Bring it all together. Lick it off. Yes, I have problems. Whatever. Now, off camera I did put deodorant on, but maybe at this point you want to put deodorant on. I don't even know if I got it all off. Let's just check. There we go. Nice smooth lips. So, you want to put deodorant on, and then your shirt, of course. So, get ready for your day. And even though we scrub the lips, we want to make sure that we keep them moisturized, just like everything else. So, chapstick. Now I'm using the Jersey Shore Cosmetics Star Mint Glossy Balm. You can use whatever, regular chapstick. I just like this because I'm obsessed with mint. Anything but spearmint. But we'll go ahead and do that. I only do my bottom lip because I move it like that to my top lip, because if not, I look like I just ate a whole bucket of chicken and it's just greasy and too much. But that's it. That's the regimen of the day, and you're out ready to start your day. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, 2 thumbs if you can, and if you really loved it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because you know, help your boy out. Also, if you hated it, go ahead and like it anyway, and then flood these comments, because hate is gonna hate, and I appreciate all constructive criticism and feedback. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, deuces.